How to fix low call volume problem in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, you can reduce your call volume while using the side buttons of your iPhone. If it doesn't work, then open settings and scroll down, and here you can see the option sound and haptics. Now click on it, and here you can increase or decrease your call volume. After that, go back and click on general and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.